Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to sync Google Keep to Notion automatically. Imagine the freedom of having all your quick notes, reminders, and lists from Google Keep seamlessly organized in Notion, without the hassle of manual copying or exporting. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a setup that keeps your ideas and notes up to date between Google Keep and Notion, all hands-free. If this sounds like something you need, stick around because this guide is for you. Let's get started with the process. First, open up your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is the place where you'll find all those handy browser extensions that can enhance your online experience. In the search bar at the top, type in Notes to Notion as a single word. It's important to get the spelling correct here, so take a moment to double-check your entry. Once you've typed it in, you should see a list of results. Look for the extension named Notes to Notion. This is the magical tool that will connect your Google Keep notes to your Notion workspace. Click on Add to Chrome, and a small window will likely pop up asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension. This step is similar to giving your browser new superpowers, enabling it to perform actions it couldn't before. In just a few seconds, you should see the Notes to Notion icon appear on the right side of your address bar. If it's not visible right away, don't worry. Simply refreshing the page or restarting Chrome usually does the trick and makes the icon show up. Clicking this icon for the first time will prompt you to sign up and log in. Follow the instructions by entering your email, creating a password, and verifying your account. If you already have an account, you can log in directly. This login step is crucial because it connects the Notes to Notion extension to your unique workspace and keeps everything secure. Think of it as a digital handshake between you and the extension, ensuring that your data is safe. Once you're logged in, the next important step is authorization. You'll need to grant permission for Notes to Notion to access your Google Keep and Notion accounts. It might sound a bit technical, but essentially, you're just agreeing to let the extension perform its job. Look for an Authorize button and click it. You might see some browser alerts or pop-up windows, so make sure to allow access when prompted. These authorizations ensure that your notes can move from one app to the other securely and privately. After authorization is complete, Notes to Notion will automatically add a special template to your Notion workspace. This template is preset to receive and organize notes from Google Keep. Consider it as laying out a landing pad for all your incoming notes. If you're inside Notion, you'll notice a new page or database appearing, and this is where your synced notes will reside. There's no need to create anything manually. Notes to Notion does the heavy lifting for you. Now, let's make sure Google Keep syncing is enabled within the Notes to Notion app. Navigate to the app section and find Google Keep. You should see an option to toggle it on or press Enable. This step might seem small, but it's the key that powers the automatic syncing process. Imagine you're flipping a switch that starts the real-time flow of information from Google Keep into Notion. Once everything is enabled, you're all set. From now on, whenever you add or edit notes in Google Keep, they'll automatically sync into your Notion template without any extra effort on your part. You can jot down ideas on your phone, and they'll appear in your Notion dashboard on your computer. It's a fantastic setup for students, busy professionals, or anyone who wants to keep their thoughts organized across different applications. So, there you have it, the complete setup, from installing Notes to Notion to enabling Google Keep integration. If any part of this process seems confusing, remember that a little patience goes a long way. Sometimes, refreshing your browser or retrying a step can resolve minor issues. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to sync Google Keep to Notion automatically quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.